You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome back. Today we're digging into some really interesting tech shifts happening right now. We've got stuff on infrastructure, security, developer tools. Quite a mix.
It really is. And it paints a picture of, well, rapid change, both the exciting parts and maybe some of the trickier aspects.
Yeah, complexity seems to be a theme. Okay, let's unpack this. First off, cloud costs. I saw this piece about Figma apparently spending something like $300,000 a day on AWS.
Per day. That works out to, what, close to $100 million a year?
Wow. And they've got a commitment too, right? Like over $500 million?
$545 million over 5 years, yeah. And it's more than just sticker shock. If we look deeper, it really highlights the massive financial engineering needed now at scale. It's not just tech risk, it's huge operational and financial risk.
So the CTO and CFO have to be like best friends, basically.
Pretty much. You're managing enormous vendor commitments, potential lock-in. It's a strategic decision, not just an IT one.
Makes sense. Okay, sticking with infrastructure, but shifting gears a bit, automation. Spacelift just pulled in. $51 million Series C. Big money.
Right, for AI-powered infrastructure automation, trying to tame that multi-cloud beast.
Which sounds great on paper. Simplify the complexity.
Exactly. It definitely signals where things are heading, more intelligent, sort of self-managing systems. But, the question becomes, does the AI really simplify it? Or does it just move the complexity?
So instead of managing clouds, you're managing the AI that manages the clouds.
Potentially, yeah. And securing that AI layer becomes critical. It's about fine-tuning these smart platforms.
Interesting trade-off. Okay, let's talk developers. The 2025 Task Runner Census came out. GitHub Actions is kind of king for CI/CD. No big surprise there.
Right, dominating that space.
But Make is still hanging on for general tasks, which I found kind of surprising.
It's familiar, it works. But you also see newer projects grabbing modern tools like pnpm for JavaScript, UV for Python, faster, smarter package management.
So better workflows, more efficiency.
Definitely a push towards that. But, and this is a big but, new tools, especially smart ones, bring new risks. There was a really concerning discovery recently with Supabase's MCP, their Model Context Protocol.
Okay, what happened?
Basically prompt injection. Attackers could hide malicious commands inside what looked like normal user support messages.
Right, so the AI sees it as just text.
Exactly. But because the AI assistant had high privileges, it could be tricked into leaking the entire SQL database.
Whoa. Because it couldn't tell data from instructions.
Precisely. It just executed what it was told, thinking it was part of the support query. It's a huge reminder about AI security.
Yeah, granting AI high-level access. That's scary if not done right. A whole new attack surface.
Absolutely. That line between data and instruction is getting blurry, and we need to be incredibly careful.
Okay, let's end on a positive note, though. Performance wins. Netflix's fan site, Tudum.com, they did a major architectural overhaul, moved away from CQRS, which separates reads and writes.
Right, a common pattern for scaling.
And went to using raw hollow. That's their own in-memory database, right?
Yeah, custom built, keeps data right in RAM for super fast access.
And the results were pretty stunning. Homepage load time dropped from like 1.4 seconds to 0.4 seconds.
Massive improvement. And editor previews went from minutes down to seconds.
That's huge for workflow.
It really shows the power of rethinking architecture sometimes. Going custom, especially in memory, can slash data delays and I/O. It's about challenging assumptions to get big speed gains.
So wrapping this all up, what's the takeaway for you listening? We've seen these huge cloud costs, the drive for AI automation, evolving dev tools, serious AI security warnings, and then these big performance jumps.
I think the common thread is constant innovation, right? But it's innovation that demands constant vigilance, especially as AI gets woven deeper into everything. That whole data versus instruction problem, understanding privileges, potential exploits. It's more critical than ever.
So the balancing act continues. Speed, security, scale.
Exactly. What new ideas, what new safeguards will we need as things get even faster and more complex?
Something to keep in mind as you build or just navigate this tech world. And try not to leak any databases.
Spoken Tech for your ears.